a 3-hour-long translation rather than an adaptation of the most emotional tragedy. And if they were daring enough while handling it, one can only hope that Napa is up to the task. For if nothing else, it is a testament to Shakespeare's brilliance that even in translation, many scenes remain steeped in raw emotion and irony. The language of the play was natural, even while remaining faithful to the classic metaphors that Shakespeare diehards will be looking out for. The powerful translation simultaneously exposed truths about human nature as well as the extent of Iago's treachery. For these reasons, Zahir has toned down the indecent language which Shakespeare used to describe relationships with in order to cater the Pakistani taste buds.
तुम्हें यहाँ देखकर बड़ी खुशी हो रही है और इत्मीनान भी कि तुम मुझसे पहले पहुँच गई।
But that self-censoring undermined the baseness of the original play, which eventually distracts the audience from the play's ultimate tragedy. Besides that, audience will get a taste of Shakespeare in this production, which automatically makes it a must-see for anyone who has not read or seen the original. Given that this is a straight reproduction of the original with a few much-needed trims and tucks thrown in to shorten the play's duration, it is difficult to pass judgment on the acting. The students indeed managed to carry it off while proving the immense potential stamina in their work.
Okay, so that's the play. Now, Mr. Mahmood, one quick question. Why a translation and why not an adaptation?
Well, you know, because this translation is by a scholar. His name is Sajjad Zahir, and he was really, known for his this kind of work. And he understood Shakespeare well, and he knew the Urdu language enough to be able to, keep the mood of the
feel of the play, and
because this was it has sort of now being played commercially, but it was basically the final term students performing, and it's very easy to have one-line dialogues, and have an interaction. But in Shakespeare, you have these long dialogues.
That's true. You have the monologues.
You have to sustain yourself, and it requires
on that point. This is something we were discussing earlier while getting our makeup done and having a cup of tea. We were discussing this, that Othello is the kind of play that can actually be very easily adapted to a Pakistani environment. I mean, we've seen an example of that in the subcontinent. Omkara, for example. Now, I mean, in my
it was one of the best movies.
It was brilliant, and in my personal opinion, I mean, if we were to take this, we have, Othello could be a Sunni boy marrying a Shia girl, vice versa. It could be a Pathan boy marrying a Muhajir girl. In some cases, I think in Pakistan, perhaps even this would be a case of Karokari.
Yeah.
So I mean, don't you think that would have been perhaps more in tune with the audience? And you were talking about bringing people to the theatre, showing them serious work. They would be able to relate to that more.
But I think Shakespeare on his own can stand on his own legs, and if you keep the spirit alive, because this is one way of putting it. Then Shakuntala, which was we did, was a different interpretation. I mean, so we provide variation, but we don't go out of hand, as they say. Because sometimes people expect that you, because the kind of theatre they've been watching, take liberties, start talking to the audience, and
yes.
Now I know, Arshad Saab, that you love Faiz Ahmed Faiz. I want you to just
share some poetry with us, perhaps.
Where you will
we put you on the spot now.
No. He is amazing.
Really? Okay, I'd love to hear that.
Well, there is a poem which is these days, I'm finding it. It's such a beautiful piece, but it's longish. We have a minute or so?
Yeah, sure.
वो है कि देखने की तो किसे ताब है, मगर अब तक जब भी उस राह से गुजरो तो किसी दुख की कसक टोकती है कि वो दरवाज़ा खुला है अब भी, और उस सहन में हर सू यूं ही पहले की तरह फर्शे नौमीदिये दीदार बिछा है अब भी, और दिल कहता है कहीं और चले जाएं, जहाँ कोई दरवाज़ा अबस वाह और ना फरियाद نہ کوئی یاد فریاد کا کشکول لیے بیٹھی ہو، محرم حسرت دیدار ہو دیوار کوئی، اور نہ کوئی سایہ گل ہجرت گل سے ویرا. یہ بھی کر دیکھا ہے، یہ بھی کر دیکھا ہے ہر بار، مگر راہوں میں دیس پردیس کی بے مہر گزرگاہوں میں قافلے قامت و رخسار و لب و گیسو کے پردہ چشم پہ یوں اترے ہیں بے صورت و رنگ، جس طرح بند دریچوں پہ گرے بارش سنگ. اور دل کہتا ہے ہر بار چلو لوٹ چلو، اس سے پہلے کہ وہاں جائیں تو یہ دکھ بھی نہ ہو، وہ نشانی کہ وہ دروازہ کھلا ہے اب بھی، اور اس صحن میں ہر سو یوں ہی پہلے کی طرح فرش نومیدی دیدار بچھا ہے اب بھی. How can we leave a country?
Beautiful, lovely, lovely.
Beautiful. And well, I think
Faiz can leave us speechless at times. Was it Arshad Saab or was it Faiz? I don't know how to.
I think it was a bit of both. I think you can't separate.
No, I think it is Faiz, and he was.
But it's Faiz done justice, and that's something there to say. You know, well. Time for us to unfortunately take a little break. Thank you very much, Mr. Mehmood, for joining us today, and I'll be going and checking out Othello soon, hopefully. And
and you must.
I look forward to Julius Caesar.
Yeah, we
assassination, political intrigue in Pakistan.
I think
we can do anything.
Macbeth can be again, intrigue.
I know. Anyway, sorry, sir. Just time to take a break, but don't go away. We will be right back.